friends, we've got a snowman face painting to show you today. So we're going to start off with, this is Paradise White, Mayron's White. I really love it for bases, and this is just a regular Wolfe sponge. So we're going to create this shape for his head and then his little arms on the sides. Next, you're going to grab, well, here I have a sponge jobber, but you can absolutely use a brush. Go ahead and grab your favorite red, create a little Santa hat. There we go, just a triangle. And I picked up a little bit of pink for his cheeks. Here I have a neon orange. I'm gonna go ahead and create his little nose. Super adorbs. Now with your little Cornell, round number 3, which is my favorite, go ahead and just outline the Santa hat. Squiggles for the fluffy part of the hat. Go ahead and outline the arms and these little curved lines for his round face. 2 dots right here for his eyes. I decided to put some cute eyelashes and just dots for his smile. Go ahead and very carefully outline the nose with really thin lines and you're done. Super cute. If you want a faster version, I do offer these stencils in my shop. Character faces, go ahead and take a look. Sparrow Stencil Supply, no spaces, on Etsy.com. See you in the next one.